Hello everyone, it's me, your wonderful host, and today you probably saw me building the T-Rex dinosaur breakout, but now I'm going to build a set that is not Jurassic World themed. Yep, this is the first time that I'm showing you another set, which is from a different theme, and many of you might recognize this theme. It's like old, like old Jurassic Park is old. It started in 1993, but I don't know when this came out. But you have here, and it's from this Lego line called Speed Champions. So you got here the 007 James Bond DB5 Aston Martin, which is I decided to get this because it looks pretty cool. The James Bond original car, the classic, and you can basically open this up, and this is, I haven't really watched the James Bond movies. I haven't really yet. Maybe I might one day. But you got here the basically that blah blah blah. Let's get moving. Okay, so I finished the DB5, the Aston Martin, James Bond's car, iconic car. So, so you have here James Bond himself with his suit and his a wrench he's holding, but then there's like this extra little thing, kind of uses his pistol. Extra pieces, kind of, if you want to. And you have him here, and yeah, it looks pretty nice. And then you've got his car, the DB5, and it's pretty cool. Take it off, and obviously you can maybe put people in the back here, but you can basically grab him, or you can go like this. Okay, oh shit, this is kind of difficult to put in here. There you go. Put a wrench in here, and then you can go like that. And you can be speeding away, going after villains and that kind of stuff. And then you can literally change the plate on the front and back, basically. Oh shit, it's bending a little bit. But basically, you can really cool. And the hubcaps, it's pretty cool car. So thanks for watching.